Let's simplify this polynomial. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and we have x squared over x. You could think of this as x times x over x, and the x's cancel, leaving just x. Another way of thinking about this, when we have x squared over x, is we have x to the 1, and when we have the same bases, we subtract the exponents. So this is x to the 2 minus 1, which is x to the 1, which is also x. So the answer is 2x. Now what is 3/4 x plus x over 4? We have 3 over 4 times x, which is the same thing as 3x over 4 plus x over 4. We have the same denominator, so we combine all divided by 4. And what is the numerator 3x plus x? 3x plus 1x is 4x. And these 4's cancel, so the answer is x. For this question, we have two terms with different denominators. Let's find the LCM of 2 and 5, which is 10. 2 times 5 is 10, so we multiply the numerator also by 5. We have 5x. 5 times 2 is 10, so we multiply the top also by 2. We get 2x. We have the same denominator 10, so we combine these terms. 5x minus 2x is 3x, and this is our answer. As for this question here, we can divide the first term by 1, which is the same thing, and multiply top and bottom by 4. So we have 4 times 2t is 8t. We copy down the second part, and we combine these terms, all divided by 4. 8t minus 3t is 5t. Let's rewrite this question as 15k squared minus 10k, all divided by 5k. And we see a heart of love here. When we see this shape where the numerator has 2 parts and the denominator has 1 term, we can split it as follows. 15k squared divided by 5k, and there's a minus sign here. 10k over 5k. Recall then, when we have a fraction 2/3 plus 5/3, when the denominators are the same, we can combine this into one term. 2 plus 5 is 7. So in the same way, we have 2 plus 5 over 3 can be split apart into two terms, 2/3 plus 5/3. So here we did the same. We have 2 parts. 15 divided by 5 is 3, and k squared divided by k is k. 10 divided by 5 is 2, and these k's cancel. So this here is a simplified expression. Again, we have this pattern, the heart of love. So we draw a nice heart here, and we split this into two terms. We have negative 15 xy cubed over 5xy squared, and there's a minus sign here, so we go minus 10x squared y squared all over 5xy squared. We have negative 15 divided by 5 is negative 3. These x's cancel, and there's one more y on the numerator than the denominator. Y cubed divided by y squared is just y. We have negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2, and there's one extra x on top, so we write x, or x to the 1, and these y squareds cancel out. So this here is a simplified expression.